अस्सलामुअलैकुम, बोल न्यूज़ खुश आमदीद। मैं हूँ शर्जील अरशद
और मैं हूँ सनिया मलिक। हेडलाइंस आपने देख ली, बुलेटिन का आगाज करते हैं। भारत की जंग की ख्वाहिश पाकिस्तान जल्द पूरी करेगा, हम आपकी तसल्ली करवाएंगे, वक्त और दिन हम तय करेंगे। डीजी ISPR लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल अहमद शरीफ चौधरी का दुश्मन को दो टोक पैगाम। कहा कि भारतीय ड्रोन से पाकिस्तान में घुसने की कोशिश की तो डिफेंस सिस्टम ने डिटेक्ट करके मार गिराया।
हमने भारतीय जारहत के जवाब में सिर्फ मिलिट्री पोस्टों पर हमला किया, जिसके सबूत भी हमने पूरी दुनिया को दिखा दिए हैं। आप कोई एक सबूत पेश नहीं कर सके।
We will attack when we will give them a response. We don't need Indian TV channels to report it. We don't need this controlled, state-controlled media of Modi government to tell where and how we have attacked. We have so far taken out 77 drones, neutralized them through hard kill and soft kill. We have taken and we are taking each one of them out. Not one of them has been able to go back to India, specifically targeting these civilians living on the Pakistan side of Kashmir. They came in large numbers. 5 of their aircraft was shot down. We are continuously responding to this aggression and we are only targeting the Indian military posts. And I will show you the evidence that how precisely we are targeting only their military posts.
और भारत पाकिस्तानी जवाब से हवास बाख्ता हो चुका है। पाकिस्तान के दारुल हुकूमत समेत 4 बड़े शहरों पर कब्जा, कराची पोर्ट, हमारे जंगी और जासूस तैयारे मार गिराने का दावा किया गया है। डीजी ISPR ने भारत को आईना दिखा दिया, कहा हमले के सबूत किधर हैं।
Starting from 22nd April, they are asking you, what have you done? Who are these people? Why there is this security failure? Because you have no answer to them? No, you concoct stories. We have taken down F-16. Karachi is burning. Quetta is burning. Prime Minister of Pakistan has been taken to a safe location. This, that, whatever comes to your mind. Is this a joke going on? You didn't want to send your manned aircraft. You sent your unmanned drones and we took each one of them out. Your face is being rubbed. You are frustrated. We can feel your frustration. We can feel your anger. Their DGMO and their officers came and they started claiming that we have gone inside Pakistan and we have done this and that. And we checked and there was nothing. Absolutely nothing that has happened.
बड़े हो जाओ, बचकाना हरकतें छोड़ो। बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री अच्छी है, लेकिन असली जिंदगी मुख्तलिफ होती है। डीजी ISPR का गोदी मीडिया को मशवरा। भारत के मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया पर चलने वाले मज़ीका खेज़ खबर पर हंसी न रोक पाए। कहा कि आप ऐसे जंग जीतेंगे। भारतीय मीडिया पर पाकिस्तान को फतह करने की जो खबर चलाई गई, ये बदहवासी थी। हमने जो आपके 5 तैयारे गिराए, उसकी दुनिया मुअत्तरिफ है।
They live in movies. I must give credit. They have a very good theatre. They have very good this Bollywood. But that's not the reality. You have to grow out. Please stop living in Bollywood. Grow up. This sort of war they can keep on fighting for next many days. They think that this is war, that whatever comes to your mind, you start claiming. Why they are doing it? What's the sense of doing this? Because your face has been blackened on night of 6th and 7th May. Because we shot down your aircraft, your so-called very high technology aircraft that you were having. And you thought you can get away with it. And then once you didn't want to send your manned aircraft, you sent your unmanned drones and we took each one of them out. Your face is being rubbed. You are frustrated. We can feel your frustration. We can feel your anger.
शुतर बेमहार भारतीय मीडिया बगैर तहकीक और किसी खबर के भारतीय टीवी पर चीखते चिल्लाते मेजबानों को, सहाफत को भी फेक न्यूज़ की फैक्ट्री बना डाला। पाकिस्तान के हवाले से बेतुकी खबरें नशर करके भी अपने मुल्क के लोगों का एतमाद हासिल ना कर सका।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।